Hello all again. So round three, we have long hot green Cayenne. As I said, we're starting at the easy stuff and we're going to make our way up. These are tasty. They are every day. You'll find these in the supermarket. They're always good for making hot sauce because they've got a lot of body, a lot of seeds. Tasty. Though I don't know how hot. Find out. Yep, they have heat. Really nice flavour. I've got a nice all over warm heat. Down in the chest and in the mouth. But yes, it's definitely actually starting to sting the tongue. Yeah, that's starting to burn a bit now. It's not unbearable, it's just hot. Well, this isn't good, seeing as I've got Scotch bonnets, habaneros, ghosts, scorpions, butch teas, and all that lot to go ahead of me. That's actually quite hot. I'll pause it and I'll let you know how I'm going in 5 minutes. About 1 minute in, I'm actually sweating. My tongue's killing. This doesn't bode well for the rest of them. One good thing is it tastes nice. And it will disappear shortly. It's not too bad. I can still talk. I can still breathe. I've had Reapers before and I know what kind of damage they can do. That's not bad. Oh well. Next one will be the same but red. And then we'll move on to bird's eyes and see how we go from there.